Good day, folks. In this video, I'm going to show you my powder coating method. I like to use the dry powder coating method instead of the wet one. I like to keep it simple that way, and let's go ahead and dig in. And before I continue, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Okay, so I like to use the Lyman bowl that you attach to your turbo tumbler. I already have in here some powder coating, and those little round balls that you see down there, those are BB pellets. I like to add those pellets, make a static charge. So I have a handful of Carl's bullets. These are the NOE 314 198 grain Spire Point Carl's bullets, and these I casted specifically for my 300 PRC. So after I powder coated them, I'm going to gas check, and I'm going to size them down to 0.308 or 308 size caliber, and then from there on it's a matter of loading and shooting these bullets. Okay, so I've attached it to the turbo tumbler, and I'm going to switch them on so they can tumble for about 30 minutes, after which I'll remove them and bake them in the oven. Okay, now I'm removing each bullet individually with this wire cutter. I'm placing them in the skewer, and then I'm going to place the skewer into the oven and bake them for 20 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so they just came out of the oven, and as you can see, they have a nice sheen to them. All are pretty much evenly coated, and I'm going to wait for them to cool down. You can of course water quench them to cool them down faster. However, I think it's a waste of water, especially in a semi-arid country like South Africa. Okay, so they have cooled down sufficiently for me to handle them. Now, as you can see, they stick to the skewer and to one another. It's not a major issue. You loosen them by, there we go, all loose.